Hi guys, today I'll be showing how to make okpa. I start by measuring out the quantity that I want to make. Please note that the okpa itself comes in seed form, which we in turn grind to obtain the flour. After that, I go in with some palm fruit concentrate and I mix by hand. Mixing with your bare hands helps you to dissolve the lumps properly. The secret to making the tastiest okpa lies in making it with palm fruit concentrate. Now, for those of you who don't know how to make palm fruit concentrate, I showed how to make that in another video and I put the link in the description. So make sure to check it out, okay? Please note also that the palm fruit concentrate should be warm if you want your okpa to turn out right. So you are going to keep mixing until there are no more lumps in it. Once you're done dissolving the lumps, you pour some more palm fruit concentrate because we are aiming for a watery consistency. Once your okpa is thick at this point, the end product is going to be a very hard okpa and we don't want that, okay? At this point, we are going to be adding some salt and some pepper to taste. And then I add some seasoning cubes. I have tried making this without seasoning cubes and I didn't notice any significant difference in its taste, so you can skip this if you want. And then I add some ground crayfish, to add some more nutrients in it. And I give it a final stir. I will be using small nylon bags for this. So you're going to scoop some amount of okpa inside the nylon. And then you tie it very tightly, leaving no spaces in between. I'm going to double the nylon for any possible bursting. So once you're done, you transfer them into a pot of boiling water. And then you cook for about 45 minutes. And our okpa is ready. If you found this video helpful, please support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, dropping a nice comment and subscribing. We have come to the end of today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.